when you look at the title, preventing teenage pregnancy, adolescent pregnancy, parang ang ganda, di ba? Oh, who will say no? Pero pag binasa mo talaga yung bill, and you have to give credit to the people na talagang binasa niya, just bringing out nila Project Dalisay and other people. When you read it, it's very surprising. The bill, kasi it says na teenagers from 9 or even younger to 18 years old, around that time, can have access to these sexual products. Confidentiality is guaranteed. You don't have to tell your parents. But the worst there is it will adhere to international standards of comprehensive sexuality education.
Okay.
They're teaching touching bodies, using your 5 senses to explore other people's bodies. So that talagang hindi siya maganda. Tapos kung makita mo other countries, ayaw na nila nun. So why will we take it on?
Parang ito yung version do sa France.
In other countries, may mga online things that are available na ayaw na nila ng CSE. Why will we adopt it? Ayaw na nga nila eh. It's against the Filipino family.
Yeah. Ang nakagulat, parang napakabilis. Paano nangyari yung brother? Ba't ngayon lang siya parang pumutok yung...
Feeling ko kasi yung title maganda.
So yung ibig sabihin, hindi talaga siya nagbabasa?
Hindi. I think yun yung obvious na nakita natin dito. Nung pumutok, basahin nga natin anong sinay ko. Pero, that's the reality. Maybe marami silang ginagawa. I don't know. Hindi siya pet bill ng mga senator, congressmen.
Tama.
So they just put their name on it. You don't really... so they're good that we have to be alert. Kaya important din that the people we are on our side also.
Amen.
Mga pro-lifers din. Huwag lang yung sino-sino lang.
Right.
Dapat talagang people who will defend good Filipino values.
Amen.